What's up? Danny Isaac with Call One and Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. And we're standing in front of the EPOS booth at Infocomm 2023. And did you know EPOS sold video? If you didn't, Scott Houston is going to tell you all about it. Scott, take it away.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, and over here we do have a really good and finally whole portfolio for us, accommodating these small and medium-sized meeting rooms for a lot of organizations. Everything from USB cameras for medium rooms, small personal USB cameras for your workspace, and also for medium or smaller rooms and medium-sized rooms with an all-in-one bar, our Vision 5, running Teams native over Android, and now available with USB mode, BYOD, and our control panel that would go along with that to control that room, or it could also be used externally of the room as a scheduling panel so that you know the availability of the room you want to book. And also our Vision 3T, which also runs Android and native Teams experience, now including a USB BYOD mode there. And for a MTR on Windows space, something like our Vision 1M as the camera, a compute box of sorts that would be running MTR Windows on it, and our Capture 5 for that voice recognition and transcript and voice identity applications you would have within your organization.
All right, so we're going to see just a quick little demonstration of the Vision 5.
Yep. So here, Vision 5 just running a live meeting here so we can see kind of what's happening with the AI, camera controls, right? Audio will be minimal, right? As we are in an open space, nice loud trade show. But here we have the control that's running everything. Obviously, we are in a Teams room experience. And with our AI on the camera, what we do is we're looking at, kind of facial recognition. As people come and leave, we'll kind of close in or expand out, making sure everyone is included in the picture. What we're not doing is kind of speaker tracking that would take away or may cause a distraction of jumping to something in the corner or something off to the side. Also, we do have a field of view of about 112 degrees, which, isn't outside of industry average, but we do that because in most cases you're going to have a table a few feet away from the wall, really capture everyone, but not introduce any other form of, effects or artifacts into the video stream from that B-side experience. And of course, with all the latest features happening in Teams as far as gallery views, front row, spatial audio, and better, we do have the stereo speaker setup ready for that, and 4 beamforming microphones to make sure that you are heard and your HVAC and all of your other miscellaneous noises happening in the room are not. And please, for any other questions, and reach out to us at eposaudio.com and through our wonderful friends over with your group with Call One and Hello Direct.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.